Hello, and welcome to another edition of Office Systems Tech Tips. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the document server. The first thing you want to do is load your original in the doc feeder, and from the home screen choose Document Server. And down here in the bottom left corner, go to the scanning screen. And then on the scanning screen, choose any options you like and hit the Start button. That will scan your document in. Takes you back to the document server screen. Choose Shared Folder. And here we see we have copy 002. If you'd like to change that name so that it seems more familiar to you, choose it here and then come here to where it says Change File Info and change file name. From there you can change it to whatever you like and hit OK. So, and then then you hit OK one more time. Take that back to the home screen. So if you'd like to recover that document, go to the document server screen and choose Test and hit Start button, and that will print out your hard copy. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to see more tech tips, please visit our YouTube channel or visit us at officesystemstx.com.